everybody, how has been your affiliate and dropshipping marketing experience? Is it horrible? Is it fun? Are you happy with the results you're getting? I know your response might sound similar to what I'm thinking because I've seen a whole lot of people calling affiliate marketing a scam because the result they're getting is very poor. But they forgot something. They forgot the result they're getting is poor because the marketing approach or the marketing strategy they're using is wrong. Okay, and wait. If you're one of the people calling affiliate marketing a scam or the result you're getting from your affiliate marketing is very poor, I want you to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you a unique marketing strategy that will increase your affiliate marketing sales. And this will work for all businesses. I mean, it works for e-commerce, SaaS, local business. Okay, now let's take some facts together. The fact remains that 90% of people doing affiliate marketing today learn from people with thousands of subscribers on their YouTube channel and thousands of traffic on their website, which makes affiliate promotion for them very, very easy. Now, you see why you're not making the money? Because you want to use the same marketing strategy people with thousands of followers and thousands of website traffic are using. I mean, these people already got the grounds. I mean, they already have the traffic. You just you're just trying to enter the old niche and start the old thing, and you feel you're gonna use the same strategy they're using and you're gonna make the money. No, come on, you got to stop doing copycat, and you need to come up with your own creative marketing ideas that will make your affiliate marketing convert better. Now I want us to play a game where I'm going to ask you a question. What marketing strategy should you use for affiliate marketing as a beginner? Is it Facebook ads? No. Is it writing articles? Okay. Is it Google ads? I'm going to say, okay. I'm just going to say the best marketing strategy that will make your affiliate link convert more better is using marketing automation with audience. Now I know you're wondering what marketing automation with audience data is all about. This is just a unique marketing strategy where you're going to be using your audience, potential audience data to serve your marketing content. I mean, it means you're not even going to be needing to use Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever social media platform ads. It means you won't have to spend a lot of money running ads before you're even going to make sales. So now, if you've watched this video to this point, I want you to sit back and see how you're going to be able to use this unique marketing automation strategy to boost your affiliate link conversion. I mean, this is something I really want you to watch. Okay, but hey, wait. Before I will show you how this strategy kind of works, I want you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified on every new video I'm gonna do. So now, to start using this marketing strategy, you need to follow just 2 steps. The first step is scrapping potential audience data across all social media platforms with automated tools. Now I know you're wondering, how does this work? Okay, I'm going to take my time to explain how the whole thing kind of works for you. Okay, this is just a strategy to get the emails and phone number of your potential audience, which will help you put your product or affiliate marketing content in their front. I mean, where you're going to be using their phone number and mail to put your marketing ads in the front. It means you won't even need to use Facebook ads, Google ads anymore. You can straightly send your marketing content into their mail or into their regular. There are a lot of free automated tools you can use for this. I mean, and there are other ways you can do this manually as well. And when it comes to scrapping potential audience data across all social media platforms, there are several tools you can use. Most of them are kind of paid, and some are free. One of the old tools I've seen that are free, that are very, very amazing, that I've been using for a couple of months now, is Outscrapper. I mean, you can literally use these tools to get up to 300 potential audience data for free. And after that, I think you have to pay. But if you're very, very smart with what you're doing, I know there's a way you can do the whole thing and you get up to 1,000 data without even paying a dime. So now let's imagine the main users of your affiliate or dropshipping products are business owners, people like restaurant owner, plumber, dry cleaner, fashion designer, etc. The main thing you need to do is to use these data scrapping tools like the auto scrapper I've talked about to gather their information on Google Maps, because most of them will have leased their business. So now you can now easily get the data from Google Maps and use those data to send your marketing content to their mail or to their regular phone number. The data you can get from for these tools include phone number, and you can as well verify if the phone numbers are land phone, are verified, are still active. You can use the same tools to verify if their mails are still active, disposable mail, etc. I mean, and it works very, very perfect. Perfect. I got it. Okay. And it's not even limited to that. Also, let's imagine your affiliate product is all about health or digital products. All you need to do using this strategy is to go on your social media platform, mostly Facebook, Twitter, Quora, YouTube, etc., and pick up their information based on their activities. This means if you're selling a skincare product, all you need to do is to go on social media platforms like Facebook, Quora, etc., and use these tools to gather their information based on their engagement on topics that are similar interest to your affiliate product or to your dropshipping product. Now you see it's all easy. I mean, it's just gonna be like you using these same tools to go on Facebook, Instagram, and start and get their data based on their activities on topics that relate to what you're selling. I mean, if you're selling a skincare product, you can literally go on Facebook and start checking from pages to group. I mean, and see people that have talked about skincare product that look very similar to what you're selling, and you're gonna be able to scrap potential people's that's giving positive reaction to those posts. It means they kind of have interest in that product. So if you're gonna be putting your ads in the front, there's high chance they're going to convert. I mean, you won't even have to keep spending on Facebook ads, Google ads, before you're going to even make sales. Now, I'm not saying Google ads and Facebook ads is not good, but you got to start looking at the approach where you're going to spend less and make more sales, where you're going to make the most money, the most cash, without having to spend much on Google ads, etc. Because when you keep spending on Google ads, Facebook ads, and you're not meeting your target, you're going to get frustrated. That's how the whole algorithm kind of works. And that's all I'm going to be talking about as regards scrapping potential audience data. Now let's move to step 2. Step 2 is doing your email and SMS marketing. Now this strategy is just as simple as you doing your regular email marketing and SMS marketing. And this is how unique you're going to be doing the whole thing. You know, from step 1, you've been able to gather your potential audience data now. Now in step 2, you're going to use those data like phone number, email, send your marketing content in their mail or in their regular message. Metrics that shows people pays more attention to message, the message they get in their regular inbox than what they see on their mail. So you got to take both SMS and email marketing. Now let's move to the final step I'm going to be talking about, step 3. Okay, this is just all about creating a custom audience on Google Ads. That's if you even got to use Google Ads at all. I mean, you got to be creative with the whole thing. That's if you want to use Google Ads at all, you need to listen to this part. Now, on Google Ads, you can easily create a custom audience with the emails you've been able to scrap so far, so that Google can help you put your ads in the front of the audience you choose yourself. I know Google algorithm is always perfect, but at times you're just gonna realize you're spending and the result you get is very low. So with this strategy, it's gonna help you spend low on Google Ads, and the results you're gonna be getting on Google Ads will be very, very massive. It's more like if you've customized some segmented audience to be about 7,000, and you're paying Google to help you put your advert content in front of those 7,000 people. So it means on average, those 7,000 people, it means about 5,000 of them will actually convert for you. I mean, just based on raw estimate. But the fact remains, this strategy is going to help you get more conversion from Google Ads, and you're going to spend less. That's how. Now I believe the information in this video should give you a new orientation about how affiliate marketing works. So you're going to join people calling the old affiliate marketing system a scam. I mean, it's not a scam, it's real. People are making real cash from this thing. You just need to use the right approach, so you're going to stop getting frustrated and meeting everything you're doing, and you're going to make the money. And one thing I'm going to say before I'm going to leave is always choose your affiliate. Don't be lazy, try this strategy out and give us your feedback in the comment section. And now, if you love this video so far, I want you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and turn on your notification bell.